Hey guys, so today in this video we will see a strings in Python. How can we use a strings in Python? So let's get started. So throughout this video I would be using this Jupyter notebook to run Python code. So if you have not installed it, I have given the link how to install Jupyter notebook in the description. You can watch it out and then come here and start coding. So let's get started. This is the Jupyter notebook home page. Come here, new, and this notebook Python 3. Yeah, this is my notebook. If you want to insert these boxes, then you just type capital B and make sure this color of the box should be blue, not green. Like if I am going to write here, then look, the color has become now green. So make sure that while you are trying to insert a box uh, here, you make sure that your the box color should be blue. So click here, then look, the color is blue. Now I can write capital B. Now the box is getting inserted below the uh, current one, and if I write capital A, then it will be inserted above. If you want to insert one box, then just type capital X, then it will delete the boxes. So let's get started with the code. So in Python, a string can be represented by as using double quote or single quote as well. So let's see, like first of all, let me tell you, these boxes will run Python code. Okay, you can write as much of your code as you want. It all depends on you. So let's see, a string hello world. So yeah, this is a string. You can also write like this, hello Jupyter, with single quotation. Both are correct. Yeah. So if you want to see that what is the type of this S and B variable, so just we have a function that is type function. So write this type of S, type of B. If you want to run the code, then first make sure that the color of the outside box should be blue. Click here, blue. Now press Ctrl Enter. Look, the string is, data type is a string. You can also run here. Look. So now let's see some other terms in this. That is how can you concatenate to a string. By you can use a plus operator, or you can also multiply, or if you want to duplicate a string up to some integer types value, then you can do it also like this. Just I'm doing, like we have S, so let's create another S plus hello Jupyter notebook. That's it. In Python, to print a variable we use print keyword, print function. So let's, yeah, Jupyter notebook. If you want to give a space, then just put here a space and then again control enter. Yeah, look, the string is now concatenated. Now let's see about the multiplication. What I was trying to make you know. B like hello world. Okay, so let's use another that would be more efficient to use a smaller one. So now print a multiply 3. So let's see, look, the same string is multiplied 3 times and the final string is now hello hello hello. If you want to give a space, then you just put a space here, concatenate a space in A, and then now run it. Yeah, look, so let's move further. That is, we have a string. Now what if we want to take one character from the string? Okay, so we use indexing option that we have done already in other programming languages. So this string is my hello. Now print B, like I want third index. So here in this case the third index is 0 1 2 3 L, so it will print L. Yeah, now let's see some other properties in a string, like we have some other functions to use in a strings. This indexing can also be done in opposite side, like from the reverse order, like print B. If we use -1, then it will print the last character. Look, O means I want to show you that it is like -1, then -2, then -3, then -4, and then -5, like this. Okay, this is in the left side. If you go try to get the string characters from the right to left side, then -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. But if you want to go from left to right, then the string indexing should be 0 1 2 3 4. That's it. Let me write it. Okay, right to left, then the index will be 0 1 2 3 4, and okay, it is right to left. I'm going in reverse direction, so -1 -2, that is the last one is -5 -4 -3 -2, and then -1. And if left to right, then 0 1 2 3 4. That's it. Yeah, you can consider it. I am just so that you can differentiate the index. Yeah, look, if you are going from left to right, then the index of O is 4, but from right to left, index of O is -1. That's why the output here is this O. So now let's see somehow to get some substring from a string, like we want to, if we want to get some part of a string. So we just can use slicing technique in this case. So how to slice a string, let's see. Hello world, this is my string. Now I want to slice the string. Okay, like let's see another string. S is equal to S. I am slicing from 0 to, let's say, 5. So here you should take care that it will take all the characters starting from 0 up to 4. It will not include 5. So take care of this. It will not include 5. It will just go only index 0 to 4. Let's say print it as and see. Yeah, this is the hello 0 1 2 3 4, because the index of O is 4. It didn't go up to 5. Let's say I am putting here 7. Yeah, now you can imagine 7 is 4 5 6 7. 7th index is 4O, but it has printed only up to W. Okay, so it will, the last range will be up to less than 1, what you have written here. If you have written here 7, then it will go up to 0 to 6. That's it. You can also slice this string by just not writing initial one and the last one. So it will automatically assume that you are slicing the string from the starting position. Yeah, look, it is the same. And if you don't want, you are writing the first index, that is the start index, is your 7, and you are not writing the last one. So it will go up to end. From the index 7, it will go up to end. Okay, S is equal to S. Now 7 to last. Okay, I have changed now. Look, S is equal to 0 to 7. That is why from 7 to last there is no string over here. That is why it was not printing anything. So let's define another string so that hello Jupyter. So print from I am printing from O. So the index of O is 4, and from last, from 4 to last. Make sure that slicing you are doing in all the indexes should be under what? Big bracket. Yeah, a string name. Yeah, look, it is printing from O, that is the 4th index, and up to last. That's correct. So let's see other. You can also, if you want, then you just don't write, neither what, a start index as well as end index, so it will print all the string. Look, yeah. But if you want, you can also index from -2. A start index is, let's say, 2, and in index is, let's say, -2, so it will go up to 2 to -3. Okay, look, from 2, where is 2? 2 is here, first L, and up to -2. -2 is -1, -2. -2 is in E. Okay, so it will go less than -2, that is -3. That is why it has printed here up to T. Okay, so by using this reverse keyword, reverse indexing, we can also reverse the string. Like if we want to reverse this string A, hello Jupyter, then I will write just what it is. For before reversing, let me tell you one more thing, that is you can also take a string from the interval point. Like let me explain you why this 0 a start index, in index is, let's say I am going up to P, so this 4 5 6 7, so I am writing 8. So let's see it is giving or not. Yeah, up to P, so I have written up to P, then it is less than that index, so this is the output. So I don't want continuously, I want with some interval, so I will write another part that is for the interval. So it will take all the characters by taking 1 2 interval. Yeah, look, first H, then after 2 interval, first interval it is E, then second interval it is L, so it is printed L. After first interval L, then second interval is O, that is why it is printed L O. So in this way you can do this. Okay, now here you can use reversing type. So what I will do, I will just start with -1, means I am going from last to end and decreasing by -1 -1 like this. So if I print, look, all the strings are reversed. So this is the benefit of using this slicing technique. So now let's see other parts of a string, that is important one, that is here in Python you cannot change the string character because the strings are immutable. Okay, so how, let me show you what is here meaning of immutable. Like we have a string A, let's say define another string hello world. Nice. Now I want to change one character, that is S6. Which one is S6? Let's say S4. It is easy to count, 0 1 2 3 4. O is my S4. Now I want to change this character with, let's say, G. Okay, now let's see, print S. Yeah, look, it is showing error because you cannot change any string characters like this. Okay, if you want to change the character of your string, 1 or 2 character, then what you have to do, you can use this slicing or concatenation by using plus keyword. So let's see how you can do. I want to change in this case O to G. So first I will slice up to L, that is S is equal to S. I will slice from 0 to up to what? 4. So this string is up to what index? HELL. I have taken all the string from there. Now I want to change that one O with G, so I will write G here. And again, this is concatenation. I am just concatenating the all sliced string. So from where I have taken O to G, and now from W. O is what? 4th index. I will start from 5th index up to last. So now let's print. Okay. So it is saying hello world this. Okay. Oh, sorry, I didn't remove it here. Okay, I get it. Yeah, look, now it is changed. You just give a space. Yeah, this is your O is now changed to G. So in this way, if you want to change the character in a string, then you should follow this step. There are other methods also in a string, built-in method. By using this, you can just reverse the string, but I am here telling you by using this slicing technique. So let's move further. Other thing, that is you have any input A. Okay, this is 100. This variable is of type what? Let's see of what type it is. It will say int. Look, its type is int, but what if you want to change into a string? Because sometimes it is needed. So what you can do, you just write, we have a method that is a string, and write inside this. Okay, so now look, the type is changed. It is a string now. So in this way, so let's see some basic usage in print function. So if you want to print a string, then you will just write this and just print. Nothing to worry. You can also print more than one string by just place comma here. Look, it is hello world, but look, it automatically taken the space between the two words is white space. Okay, so what if I want to change this? So you just have to include one more parameter, that is separator, and here you can use whatever you want. You can use dash or anything. You can use hash, anything, that is ampersand. Yeah, anything that you want to use. Okay, in this way you can do this. And another thing, like we have other apple and int. As you know, if you just write this, okay, print, then again you write just what, print mango, then it will automatically take a new line. Look, apple and then new line and then mango, but you don't want this new line. Then what you can do, you just need to add another parameter for this, and what you want instead of new line. Like I want this dash, I don't want new line. Look, no new line, but the words are connected with dash, because print function will automatically give you a new line if you print to print function differently or one at a time. So let's see how to take input from the user. We have a unit input function for this, like I sc input, and we are taking input from the user like this. Okay, and let's, after taking the input, we will print this sc2. So let's take input from the user. Yeah, shu bhm, right? So let's run it. Okay, it did not print anything. Yeah, look, if in the box you see that the symbol is asterisk, then it means your program is still running. Okay, so what I have done wrong in this case, while giving the input, I didn't press enter. So while you are taking input from the user, then it will take up to that time until the user press enter. Okay, that is why it is happening. So to remove this, let's rerun the all code. Yeah, now it will. If you come into this situation, then just restart the kernel and rerun the code. Now I am again, it is asking for the input, so Jupyter, and now I am going to press enter. Look, now it is printing. Okay, so since I am printing again, that is why, if while you are taking input, it will print automatically here in this case. That is why the output is to Jupyter. Okay, so let me tell you one thing, that while you are taking input from user, the input returns all the input you have taken in return in a string format. Let's say another, like I is equal to input. Okay, good. Now I am giving the input 10, right? Press enter. Yeah, it is giving what? 100. Okay, I have given the input 100, but let's see what is the type of this I have given 100, but let's see what is the type of this I. Yeah, it will, I is because I am running again, na, that is why. Okay, type of variable. Yeah, look, type is a string. Okay, you have given the input 100, but type, the input method returns you as a string type. So what if you want to take this as a int, then you have another, like you have done in a string conversion, that is a string method. Look here, a string method, you have converted int to a string. So now let's see what is the type. Yeah, look, now type is int. You can also, you have another function to, you have I which is in int. Now you want this I to convert in float, so float I. Okay, now let's print type of f. I have used another function, that is float, to convert any input, any variable into float data type. Look, the data type is float. So this type conversion you can use in many different ways. So this is, guys, what I wanted to show you about different usage of strings in this Python. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.